Welcome to today's discussion on App Store Optimization, or ASO. In an increasingly competitive app market, visibility is key. Whether you're a developer, marketer, or business owner, understanding ASO is crucial for driving organic downloads and maximizing your app's success. In today's video, we'll explore the fundamental principles of ASO and the process of building a semantic core for your app. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into text optimization for both the App Store and Google Play. So, what exactly is ASO? App Store optimization is the process of improving your app's visibility in app stores. The goal? To make sure users find your app when they search for something relevant. The better your ASO, the higher your app ranks, and the more organic downloads you get. One of the biggest ASO factors? Keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into the search bar when looking for apps. For example, if you've created a fitness app, keywords like workout, health, or fitness program can help users find it. Choosing the right keywords is crucial, because if your app doesn't show up in search results, people won't download it. Now let's talk about metadata. This is the core information about your app that app stores use to determine when and where to show it. Metadata includes app title, the most important element for search rankings. Subtitle, brief description of the application, description, a text that explains your app's features and helps with keyword indexing. Icon, the first thing users see, so make it stand out. Screenshots and videos, these give users a preview of what your app can do. App stores constantly analyze metadata through a process called indexing. This means they scan your app's details and match them with relevant user searches. That's why optimizing metadata with strong, relevant keywords is key. ASO consists of two main areas. Text optimization means carefully selecting and adding the right keywords to metadata, such as the title, description, and keyword field. This helps the application store understand which search terms are relevant to our application and when it should appear in search results. By optimizing text, we increase the chances of our application being discovered by users searching for similar features or topics. Visual optimization means creating an attractive and compelling app icon, screenshots, and videos. These visuals should grab attention and clearly showcase the app's value, helping to turn store visitors into downloads. A well-optimized visual presentation increases user interest and improves conversion rates. One thing to keep in mind, Google Play and the App Store use different algorithms for App Store optimization. Google Play indexes the title, short description, and full description for keywords, while the App Store mainly relies on the title, subtitle, and a separate keyword field. These differences affect how we choose and place keywords. We will explore this in more detail in the next part. Now that we understand the basics of ASO, let's move on to building a semantic core. The semantic core is a structured set of keywords that define the search visibility of your app. It's the foundation of effective ASO, because the right keywords determine whether your app appears in relevant searches or gets buried under competitors. To build a strong semantic core, you need to analyze user search behavior, identify what words and phrases your potential users are searching for. Research competitors. Find out which keywords top-performing apps in your niche are using. Group and prioritize keywords. Focus on high-traffic, relevant keywords that align with your app's features. Keywords are classified into different groups, and choosing the right ones depends on whether your app is new or already popular. 1. By meaning. Relevant. These are essential because they match the app's content and what users are searching for. Using relevant keywords improves ranking, increases visibility, and attracts the right audience. It's always better to focus on relevant keywords, as they bring the most engaged users who are likely to download and use the app. Irrelevant. There is no point in using them because users won't download the app even if they find it. 2. By length. Short tail. High competition but broad reach. Mid tail. a good balance between traffic and competition, often used for apps that are gaining traction. Long tail, ideal for new apps because competition is lower and they attract more targeted users. 3. By traffic volume, high frequency, best for very popular apps with strong rankings and high authority. Mid-frequency, balanced in traffic and competition, suitable for growing apps. Low frequency, great for new apps since they have lower competition and can improve conversion rates. There are several effective sources for gathering keywords: common sense and logic. Consider the functions your app performs or the genre of your mobile game. Competitor metadata analysis. Research how competitors structure their app titles, descriptions, and categories. Apple Search Ads. Apple's ad platform suggests relevant keywords based on search data. ASO tools. Platforms like ASOMobile provide data on keyword traffic, relevance, and rankings, helping refine your ASO strategy. Now, let's move on to practice. I'll show you how to find the right keywords using ASO tools. Remember, don't use SEO tools for ASO. Always choose ASO-specific tools instead. SEO tools are not suitable for ASO because mobile users search differently than web users. Keywords in app stores have completely different traffic patterns, so relying on SEO tools can lead to misleading data and poor optimization. How to build your Semantic Core with ASOMobile. Now, I'll show you how to create your app's Semantic Core using ASOMobile. First, we need to add your app to the ASOMobile platform, or select an existing one, just like I did. Next, we go to the Keyword Finder tool. First, we have the All Keywords tab. This is a full list of all the keywords we've found. It's a great place to start if you want a general overview. In the Relevant tab, you'll find the most suitable keywords for your app based on their relevance. If your app is already well known and you want to expand, the Popular tab shows high traffic keywords that many users are searching for. For new apps, it's better to focus on keywords with less competition. That's where the Long Tail tab comes in. These keywords are longer, at least 4 words, and can help you rank in more specific searches. The Low Competitive and Boosting tabs suggest keywords with less competition. If there are too many keywords, to narrow down the list, apply filters and set the minimum traffic value to 50. Add relevant keywords to your keyword monitor list by clicking the plus button. Now, let's move to the app keywords section. The Indexing tab shows the keywords your app is already ranking for. If your app appears in search results when users type in a keyword, it means the App Store has indexed your app for that keyword. But there's a limit. You can only see up to position 250 in the rankings. In reality, most downloads come from the top 1 or 2 positions, with some coming from the top 5 at most. Still, if your app ranks at position 50, that's a good sign. It means the App Store already considers this keyword relevant to your app. Take a look at the keywords your app is already ranking for. If the list is short, don't worry. We can check your competitors to find new opportunities. By the way, let's add competitors using my favorite method. Look at any keyword table and find your most relevant and popular keyword. Click the 3 vertical lines on the left. You'll see which apps rank at the top when users search for that keyword. If an app consistently appears in top positions, add it to your competitor list by clicking the plus button. Why? Because if they rank high, their ASO strategy is working, and we can learn from their keywords. Now let's move to the Competitors tab. Here, you can see which keywords your competitors are ranking for. Adding popular and relevant competitors is important for getting high-quality data. If you want to add more competitors, there are 2 ways. Click the plus competitors button to add suggested competitors. Enter competitor names manually. In the competitors column, you'll see a new metric. How many competitors are indexed for each keyword? If the bar is green, it means most of your competitors use this keyword, so it's a strong choice to add to your list. You can also sort the table in reverse. Just click the arrows next to the column title. This will show keywords that only a few competitors are using. These might be valuable because they have less competition. Maybe you'll find keywords that your competitors are overlooking, but that users are actively searching for. The key is to only add relevant keywords to your list. If a keyword doesn't match your app, there's no point in indexing for it. Users won't download an app that isn't what they were searching for. Focus on highly relevant, well-ranked keywords, and you'll improve your app's visibility. Finally, in the Keyword Monitor tab, we can see all our selected keywords. It's important to note that this process only took a couple of minutes. But if you take the time to dive deeper into ASO, your semantic core will be much stronger, and your app will see a significant boost in downloads. I'll show an example using ASOMobile. Check the link below. ASOMobile offers a free trial. Plus, use my promo code FIRSTTRY to get 30% off your first purchase. The link to the service and the promo code are in the description. That's it for today. Now you know how to build a strong semantic core with ASOMobile to boost your app's visibility and downloads. ASO is an ongoing process. Keep refining your keywords to stay ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ASO insights. See you in the next video.